Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick update on what Crochet and Ballet has been up to. Here is Bonnie. She got dressed up super cute and went on a date with her dad to a daddy-daughter dance here a while back. So I just thought I'd start out with that picture. It is super cute. And also wanted to show you some things that I made when we were doing the Nutcracker. Here is Bonnie in her costume and the soldier that I made for her that looks like her. And here she is actually on stage. She is the one jumping. She got to be the scared cadet, which was super fun for her. And she got to jump and be scared when the cannon went off. And she jumped as high as she could every time and absolutely loved it. She was also in the Mother Ginger dance, so I made her a Mother Ginger doll that I crocheted. At some point, I would like to do a video on the crochet dolls that I made. I also made some for some of the cast members. This is the Apprentice, and here's a Party Girl, and I made a few others. I made some baby mice and things that I did not get pictures of, but here is Bonnie with the Mother Ginger girls, and here's a couple of backstage shots. She had so much fun her first year doing the Nutcracker. Here they are backstage doing a few games, and here she is under Mother Ginger's skirt before they came out to dance. Coming up next, she's going to be in the spring production of The Little Mermaid. So that is going to be really fun, and she's had a lot of fun learning her dances and things for that. And also, we got to make one of the props for the show. She made this paper mache fish, and we have named her Tallulah. We kind of used Bob Ross there as an inspiration to make a happy little fish, and she's going to be also dancing in The Little Mermaid with her little fish, and we can't wait to see the next thing coming up soon.